Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
शिक्षा विजन ही संस्था आसा, ताचो हांव एक मेंबर आसा. म्हज्या बरोबर आमचे बिचोली वाठारांतले कितलेशेच अशेच मेंबर आसात, हांच्यानी आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून की संस्था स्थापन करपाचें एक धैर्य धरला. सगळे जे मेंबर आसात ते आपापल्या फिल्डान एक्सपर्ट आसात आणि हे फक्त आपल्या फिल्डान जरी ॲक्टिव्ह असले जाल्यार तांचे समाजा बरोबर एकदम जवळचे नाते आसा. तांकां समाजाची देणे घेणे हे समजता आणि असे लोक हे सगळे जवळ आसा. सो त्याच्यामुळे ही संस्था फुडें वचान definitely हिचो ग्रोथ जातलो.
More than medical science, he has done a lot of things in the social field. He was one of the few persons, especially doctors, who had organized camps for the people.
Now as students, your aim is to pursue your career. A small bit of advice from me that you pursue your career, but at the same time, keep in mind that you owe something to your society.